Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Tucson's bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside your vehicle's cabin, typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a click as the bonnet unlatches slightly. Once you hear that sound, you can proceed to the front of your Tucson for the next step. Now that the bonnet is slightly ajar, move to the front of your Hyundai Tucson. Look for the secondary safety latch, which is usually located in the center, just under the front edge of the bonnet. You'll need to either push this latch to the side or lift it upwards. Once released, you can gently raise the bonnet fully open. With the bonnet open, locate the support rod. This rod is typically clipped into place on the underside of the bonnet or near the engine bay. Unclip the rod and extend it. There will be a designated hole or slot on the underside of the bonnet or in the engine bay where you can firmly insert the end of the support rod. This ensures the bonnet stays safely open while you work. To close the bonnet, first remove the support rod from its holding position and securely clip it back into its storage spot. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it is about 12 inches above the engine bay. From this height, let the bonnet drop down. This allows it to latch securely without needing to push it forcefully. Always double-check that it's fully closed before driving. Also, be sure to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.